UpKeep Learn builds real training from your actual procedures and SOPs 10 times faster than a traditional LMS. Pick your topic, your course type, your audience, then bring in your own content, SOPs, procedures, whatever your team has already put together. UpKeep Learn's AI uses that as the foundation, so the course reflects how your operation actually runs, not some generic starting point. Hit build. Lessons, learning objectives, quiz questions all come through. Nova, our AI agent, is there if you want to tweak anything through conversation. From there, every lesson is fully editable. Drop in images, videos, PDFs, move things around until it feels right. When you're ready, assign it by role, site, or department. Set a due date. Your team gets the training they actually need. UpKeep Learn.